Hey, good morning. Oh, I say good afternoon.
Good morning.
Okay, now it's day 2 and we are all freshened up in the morning and we're going for exploration, makan coffee and relaxation. Let's go meet Nizam. And the bikes are there, the bikes. Basically I find a place to drink my morning coffee. But it's actually not morning, it's really afternoon. Now it's like 1:21 already. We woke up a bit late because we're damn tired. But we're all energized up now. So let's go and have our coffee to drink first. So we just finished our massage and now we're going to have our amazing lunch. We've ordered quite a number of things because we are very hungry. Fish, chicken, tom yum, it's all Thai. All Thai style because we're in Thailand, so we eat Thai food. Now let's see what we have. We have steamed rice, coconut shake, tom yum soup, steamed fish with chili, calamari, omelette, and let's dig in, guys. Okay guys, I just freshened up and I'll give you a tour of the hotel. The hotel we're staying in Koh Samui is called Le Murray. We spent about 120 per night, but most of the hotels the prices were high. I don't know what's up in February. Everybody likes to come to Thailand in February. Maybe the weather is better. So far the weather is okay. There are light rains here and there, but overall sunny. Let's go take a look at the hotel. Okay, we'll start off with the bathroom. Nice big bathroom, sink, shower. They have hot water. There's no issues with hot water because if there's issues with hot water, then I'm going to make a big fuss. I need hot water. They have a sink kind of area here. Kettle, cup, fridge. Fridge works. This is like the dining area, and there's a dresser here. Plug facilities. That's where I put my helmet and my stuff lah. They have a TV. I don't usually on the TV because I like to sleep in darkness and quietness. They have a safe which is working. Yeah, and they have a big bed. So far I've tested it. It's comfortable. I had a nap just now. It was great. Let's take a look at the balcony. On the light. They have a big balcony also. Okay, 2 nice chairs. This is where I normally put my jacket and my boots, let it dry out. It's quite a quiet place, but I mean, like, things around here is actually quite convenient. There's a 7-Eleven nearby, so it's about 5-minute walk. So if you want to get all your necessary stuff in 7-Eleven, it's just 5 minutes. And there are some massage shops and stuff like that. Just maybe 2 minutes. Just walk out and then it's just there. So it's quite a centralized hotel with a lot of facilities around. And Chaweng Beach is also about 10 minutes. And Central Festival is about 15 to 20 minutes walk lah. It's good to walk, to exercise also lah, I believe. So I'm pretty impressed with this hotel. Yeah, maybe next time I'll still come and stay here. The plan for tomorrow, we're going to go out right now for dinner, and then we're going to come back and take a rest, sleep, because we will be moving out to Hat Yai tomorrow. We decided not to ride back all the way to Singapore because the last time was a bit crazy. We're too tired. So we're going to take a break at Hat Yai. It's about 300 plus kilometers. It's about 5 hours. So from here, we need to ride to the ferry terminal. It's going to take about an hour. And then we got to take the ferry. The ferry itself is going to take about 1.5 up to 2 hours, depends on the sea conditions. And our ride back to Hat Yai is going to take about say 4 hours, 3-4 hours, depends on the speed that you're riding. So tomorrow 10:30 a.m. we are meeting up, and we'll move off by 10:45. So I'm not going to bring the camera out at night because I'm scared of pickpocket lah, you know. All my footages are here, so I don't want to risk it. So I will catch you guys up tomorrow. Let's go. So we are taking Sea Trans ferry back. So you need to ride your bike here, buy the ticket at the counter here. Our bikes are there. So you come to this counter to buy the tickets to the ferry. I don't know if you can catch the 1 o'clock ferry. I'm gonna try. 1C, C.
1C ABC.
Okay, so we did not manage to catch the 1 PM ferry, so we're taking the 2 PM ferry. We got a bit of time, so drink kopi first Huh, Tajib?
Yes, coffee plus tom yum.
And cup noodle, come?
Just gonna have my coffee after a long wait ride for a while. Hey.
Yep.
Cheers. Cheers, guys.
Okay guys, we are in the 2 o'clock ferry, 2 PM ferry, and I think we'll reach Donsak, Suratani at about 1.5 hours, so 2, 3, looking at 4 to 5. Then from there, we ride all the way down to Hat Yai. We'll definitely be riding through the night, but it's okay, it's the way back now, so let's go. Okay, Thai time is 8 o'clock right now. We just reached Hat Yai, Colours Hotel. Let's check in, freshen up, go for makan, massage, and take a nap. Good morning everyone, it's 4:40 23rd of February, and we are heading back to Singapore from Hat Yai. So I'm going to meet up with the guys, put our stuff on the bike, and we're going to go to Sadao border. We're planning to reach there before 6 so we can try to clear out the jam. We won't get stuck in the traffic, and then we enter into Malaysia. Let's go.
Bye-bye Thailand now.
Okay guys, it's 6:15 Thai time and 7:15 Malaysia time. So right now we are in Malaysia and we have just pumped our gas and we'll be going back to Singapore straight from here. So the next stop is probably going to be about 200 to 300 kilometers. It depends what's our fatigue levels. So let's go. Okay guys, we're at Tapa now. It's 10:30 a.m. Approximately we rode about 320 kilometers from Bukit Kayu Hitam. So we're gonna take a break here, hydrate ourselves. We're not hungry yet at the moment and we are still on time. So after this, we'll carry on. And where will be the next stop? Any idea?
Past here.
We're passing KL, maybe Seramban, I don't know man. We'll see another 300 kilometers or what. But okay, the weather is not too bad. A little bit warm, but overall cloudy, so it's okay. The traffic was smooth. So let's go. Okay guys, we are just before Aikaro. We stopped here because my bike seems to be overheating. Because the temperature, outside temperature is already about 35 degrees. So the bike is running hot. I need to cool it down first and hydrate. Then I think we will just go all the way to Geylang Patah and have our makan. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, it's 3:25 PM and finally we have reached Geylang Patah Lazy Monday for our lunch. Where was our last stop? Before Aikro lah. So let's go and eat something, a well-deserved lunch, and then we head home back to our families. So you got anything to say?
Was a wonderful ride after a long time again. Been a couple of months, but yeah, it was a good ride. Enjoy with the fellas.
See what the rain has done. But it's fun. Let's do it again.